Today, I'm going to focus on idioms that all have one thing in common: laughter. As native speakers, we rarely think about our own language. We just take things for granted. When I set about doing some research on finding idioms that involved laughing, I was amazed by how many there were. I have selected just a few to help you understand native speakers and sound more like one yourself. A laughingstock. This phrase dates back to the 16th century. In earlier times, the authorities in England used some quite humiliating forms of punishment for minor offences. People would be locked in stocks, maybe by the ankles or wrists or both. The public could then ridicule them and were at liberty to throw anything at the trapped miscreants. However, there are differing views as to whether this is the correct derivation of the phrase. The phrase is used to refer to people and can be understood as a person being the victim or butt of a joke. It is used when someone is made fun of because of some mistake or blunder they have committed. Here is an illustration. I don't think Philip realized that he would be the laughing stock of the wedding when he decided to wear a purple suit. Are you having a laugh? This expression is used in British English to mean you're in disbelief. Americans tend to use the phrase, "Are you serious?" or "Are you kidding me?" It was made popular recently in an episode of Ricky Gervais's series Extras, When the Whistle Blows. To be laughing on the other side of your face. We use this expression as a warning to someone who insists on doing something that we judge to be unwise, risky, or even wrong, but seem to ignore any advice given. In spite of being pleased now, they will not be happy when things do not happen as planned. It has its origins in the 18th century. For example, I told him not to buy those shares, but he insisted on doing so. I've just heard that the company is going into liquidation. He'll be laughing on the other side of his face when he finds out. To burst out laughing. We use this expression when we laugh suddenly and uncontrollably. For example, when she took the cake out of the oven, she forgot to put on her oven gloves and she dropped it onto the floor. It was completely ruined. I know I shouldn't have, but I just couldn't help bursting out laughing. To fall about the place laughing. This phrase suggests uncontrollable laughter. We find something so funny that our reaction is all-consuming. Here is an example. They made a good choice in inviting Tony to be the best man at their wedding. From the minute he started his speech, all the guests fell about the place laughing. To be laughed out of court. When you present a suggestion that people refuse to take seriously. We can use this expression that has its origins in the legal system to suggest the probable humiliation suffered by the person who makes the ludicrous suggestion. For example, you'll be laughed out of court if you put forward your proposal to the board of directors. They will definitely not take it seriously. To do something just for laughs, or for a laugh. We use this phrase when we suggest doing something purely for fun or entertainment. Here is an example. Once we finished eating, why don't we all pretend to have food poisoning, just for laughs? It's no laughing matter. We use this expression to warn someone that they are joking about something inappropriately and that we are advising them to take it more seriously. Political cartoonists often make fun of something to direct us towards the seriousness of the topic. For example, "It's no laughing matter being arrested by the police." When you arrive at border control, please don't say something stupid like you've got a bomb in your suitcase. It's no laughing matter. They will immediately arrest you, even if you are just joking. To be laughing all the way to the bank. This expression conveys the meaning that someone is making money very easily, in spite of other people thinking that the method of making money is stupid. Here's an example. "Listen, all we have to do is persuade our customers to buy more than one item at a time. Even though they probably only ever need one, then we'll be laughing all the way to the bank." You're ridiculing my idea now, but I promise, once we've got a foothold in the market, we'll be laughing all the way to the bank. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Don't forget to pass it on, place a like, and turn on your notifications.